Welcome to Mud Grip Mike's YouTube channel. Just a country boy making videos of trucks, tractors, firearms, four-wheelers. Just having fun underneath the oak tree here. I can't say I'm in the kitchen making videos. My friend Mark Dice already has that honor. Anyway, if you like them, hit that subscribe button or the like button. And thanks for watching. Welcome to Mud Grip Mike's YouTube channel. Just a country boy making videos of trucks, tractors, firearms, four-wheelers. Just having fun underneath the oak tree here. I can't say I'm in the kitchen making videos. My friend Mark Dice already has that honor. Anyway, if you like them, hit that subscribe button or the like button. And thanks for watching. Okay, changed locations. Back at the Rock Springs camp house. We've got most of the roof on and got the end boarded up. Got the stove sitting outside. Don't need that right now. Got the door done. That's solid hickory, cypress, and different things. And then putting up, got it insulated as much as we can. Putting up this 5V crimp tin on the ceiling. There's ladders and Luis up there finishing the chimney at the same time. Okay, we're still making progress. We moved our scaffold. Got up a couple more sheets. 2 more down that side will finish. That 5V crimp covers 24 inches. Meanwhile, Luis is going on with putting that chimney on there with the rock.
That is the Beltec. Got like a 2.5 to 3 foot knit thing on it. Is this something there, Rocky? It's about maxed out.
There you go. Getting ready to set the next clay on there. Well, we're switching gears once again. Multitasking here. Bye. Good morning again. Continuing on with the rock house. Today's a bad windy day, so it's messing my hair up, so I had to take my hat off too. Anyway, what we're doing today is we had these lines running across from the power pole to the house. We're just going to go around the corner, so we took that excavator and scratched what little dirt was off the top and soil, because it's mostly solid rock. This slab I'm standing on here, just solid rock. It goes all the way under the house. But we have dug a trench, kind of rerouted the wire up underneath the tree from the power pole to here. And now we're going to cover up what we can. Might have to get some more stuff and cover that. And give it a little more cover over the top. And I ain't sure, but it looks to me like I thought my operator had an adult beverage in his hand there when he was driving that. But maybe not. So if there's any safety men watching, y'all try to overlook that. Okay, we'll be back. All right, I got some more of the hole covered up. That last, well, not the last sheet, the last full sheet got one little half a sheet to put up around that fireplace. Then close it in and put one more sheet of insulation, and that will be done. Okay, we got the chimney finished. Got one of the columns right there finished. He's starting on another one. It'll go all the way up. The one here in the middle is only going to go up about 3 feet or so. Look like we're fixing to put a fire and test our chimney. Well, it's a good sign. We got a nice fire going and nothing is coming inside the house. I'm gonna go outside and see what she looks like up at the top coming out. Maybe YouTube won't hit me too bad because that music's playing incidentally. Well, I guess it's clean smoke. Barely see a little bit coming out there if you look real close. That's all I can zoom. All right. Okay, we got the ceiling all done except we got to put up 3 pieces. To finish that, we had to stop last night. We just burned out.
We got our hard hats on, safety gloves. The inspector's somewhere on the way, so we're going to start him.
Okay. I'm there.
This is one of them sheets that the dude put on the upside down. That groove first. Darn, heck, darn. Oh. I'm gonna lose every screw I got.
This is good. That ought to be good.
Reach.
Kind of flange up the roof, the ceiling. We got that last piece up. I think when we started out I said 3, but there was only 2. Somehow we got them up. So hope you enjoyed watching the losers at work.